We're setting up this vehicle for a sidepole test. It's supposed to represent you driving onto a tree. And we've got the vehicle aligned at 75 degrees with respect to that pole over there. Yeah, essentially the car is going to be pulled onto the pole. And we're just at the moment setting up the dummy.
By going rearwards, you will also bring it down.
Yeah, correct, yeah.
We need to be ideally 3 mil lower. It's the X position which worries me a bit.
I guess I would describe it as 99% setup and check-in and check-in and check-in. It's 1% test, so yeah, the whole day is concentrating on making sure you get it right.
So how are we doing with the dummy set?
We're doing all right. We need to make a couple of tweaks. What we've found is the head CG isn't quite within what we're expecting.
Yeah, I can see that.
So yeah, we need to bring it forward here. We could bring the dummy more vertical.
It certainly looks a bit too inclined at the moment.
Yeah.
So let's go for it. It's really important in these tests that we set the dummies in accordance with the protocols that are dictated to us. Everything has to be right. Once we've done this test, we can't put it back together and do it again, can we?
We asked Myra to film the test with around 15 high-speed cameras, all filming at 1,000 frames per second. These cameras are super important because it's our one chance to actually look back and see what's happened in the test. So as you step through the frames, frame by frame, after the test, even how something's cracking, you can see that crack propagating on each frame. We couldn't do this and not film it. We've got no choice, really.
So we've got a far side airbag in this vehicle, and that was a particular challenge for the engineering team when you consider the slim profile of the seat. So really pleased that we've managed to integrate a first-class safety system whilst not destroying the aesthetic of the vehicle. Looking forward to seeing how it performs.
Yep.
We're ready to go?
Mm-hmm. Temperatures are all good.
Yeah.
Shall we send it?
Send it.
All right.
So we just started to get the results through, and yeah, they're looking pretty good, aren't they, Alex?
Yeah, entry's all green.
Yeah, I think we're all pretty happy. All the occupant results are looking green, which is always a really good start. I think one of the things we were going to look at was the far side airbag, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so deployment's really good. Coverage is looking really good as well. Imagine if somebody was sat in the passenger side, that those two occupants were really protected from each other in impact really well. Yeah, how do you feel? I was pretty pleased with this one, I think.
Yeah, results look very, very good. Everything looks promising, and I think based on the outcome, we're ready to move on to the next test and look forward to the next challenge.